Track 116.
OK, everyone. Quiet, please. As you know, every week a different student is going to tell us all about their hobby. Today, we are hearing from Libby, who keeps bees. Libby, you can start.
Thanks, Mrs. Jones. Yes, my hobby is beekeeping. I started after someone gave my mum some bees as a present. She didn't have time to look after them, so I decided to do it instead. I had to go on a course first to learn all about it. I'm so glad I did that. I was the only teenager on the course, but I had a great time. I knew immediately that beekeeping was the perfect hobby for me. The bees stay inside the hive for the winter, so I don't have to do much with them. Then in spring, when it's warm enough, they come out and start looking for food. Through the summer, I am quite busy looking after them. I love spending time with them. I've heard that they can recognize faces, and I believe that. When I look into the hive, I have the feeling they know who I am, and they're happy to see me. I have to be careful not to let the hive get too crowded. That's because when the number of bees in a hive gets too large, they all fly away. I also have to collect the honey. I do this 3 times during the summer and get about 50 kilos of honey from my hive. I don't really enjoy taking the honey. It makes me feel bad. The bees work so hard to make it. And did you know that each bee makes less than a gram of honey in its lifetime? So think about how many bees you need to make just 1 jar of honey. Anyway, I've been a beekeeper for 2 years now, and I think it's a brilliant hobby. If you want to know more, just ask.
Thanks, Libby. That certainly was an interesting talk. OK, does anyone have any questions?